This is Jerry, the mattress buyer for Boulevard Home. We're here today in the mattress department here in our St. George store. So we want to share with you some fun stuff. You've all seen the whine test where the guy jumps on the mattress and the whine doesn't spill over. Well, we're going to put that to the test. And of course, the famous bowling ball test. We're going to put that one to the test as well, see if those pins knock down. And we've got a really unique one. We're going to call it the bounce test. We're going to see how far we can drop somebody and kick somebody else out the other side of the mattress. So as part of these tests, we're going to try all foam mattress to see how that tests. We're going to try an inner spring mattress that may have a little bit more bounce. And we're going to try a hybrid, which is kind of the most popular mattress out there right now. So with the whine test, okay, what we're trying to do is find out what kind of motion transfer happens in a mattress. What I mean by that is if I jump on one side of the mattress, does it affect the other side of the mattress? Which, more importantly, does it affect my partner on the other side of the mattress? We're going to find out. So the famous bowling ball test. Now, that was made famous by Beautyrest. So Beautyrest is the famous bowling ball bed. We're going to show you how the fact that different mattresses respond to that bowling ball test. And we're going to, again, try it on all three different mattresses and see kind of what happens to those bowling pins depending on the type of mattress that it is. All right, on the last one, we're gonna do the launch test or the bounce test. Okay, well, we know if I drop down on an all foam mattress, I'm probably not gonna go very far, nor is my partner. If I drop down on an inner spring mattress, we're gonna see how far we can launch the other person. So we've had fun doing these tests. What does it all mean? As we look at the all foam mattress, when we look at the whine, we look at the bowling ball, and we look at the bounce, we see that the all foam is the best at absorbing energy and eliminating the motion transfer. If you look at the wine glass, it doesn't move, the bowling pins don't move, and as we fall onto the mattress, the partner doesn't move at all. The hybrid is probably the next best, still very good at not tipping over the whine, so your side-to-side motion transfer is very little. It's just really the foam on top of the spring that creates a little bit of motion, but still, that's why they call it the Do Not Disturb Beautyrest, is because of the fact that it does the pocketed coil in a Beautyrest, helps eliminate that motion transfer. And especially it absorbs the energy as Reed falls down into the mattress. It absorbs his energy rather than transferring it to the other side of the bed because of the pocketed coil. In the final mattress, in the inner spring mattress, it's also a wrapped coil. The only difference between a wrapped coil and a pocketed coil is the pocketed coil is pre-compressed and has a little bit different design in the coil. But because that was a wrapped coil and not a continuous wire coil, it did a very good job of absorbing the energy, of not having the motion transfer. But as you noticed in the video, the whine definitely sloshed more, the pins definitely went back and forth more, and there was a little bit more bounce when we went down into the mattress. So I think all in all, it's a great test of showing what type of mattresses are really good at eliminating motion transfer or partner disturbance, and what type of mattresses may not be as good. And keep in mind that when you look at price, that has a lot to do with it as well. The all foam mattresses were the most expensive one we looked at. The hybrid was the middle one that we looked at, and the least expensive mattress we looked at was the inner spring. So I think this has been a great test. I do want to say one last thing in the video, and that is Tyler, you need to get off my mattresses. Hope you enjoyed everything and have a great day.